versus Michelle Green, case number SP 1808941, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Roy Johnson on behalf of Michelle Green.
All right, Mr. Good morning to you. Can you put your P number on the record, Counselor?
Yes, Judge, it's P39134.
Very well. Ms. Green, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Michelle Green.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What's going to be the resolution of any, Counselor?
It's my understanding, Judge, that the prosecutor has dismissed the two pending counts, and my client will plead responsible to impeding traffic.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Green? $175.
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket, Counselor, as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic committed from the improper turn. I'll dismiss the other two counts, 175. Ms. Green, when can you pay?
I can pay today or tomorrow or this week.
I'll get you, I'll just say that you'll have it in here by, let's say Monday. It's pay at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, Ms. Green. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Again, I apologize, Ms. Green, for the delay. Have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay, ma'am?
Excuse me, Judge. And I'm not going to be in town for Christmas, so how do I pay? Do I pay online or something?
You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. Those kiosks are in the Myers and the CVS's DIV, DAT, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay. There are other ways to pay online and by phone. Those are just the two best ways I can tell you to pay.
Okay, I'm really not sure how to do it online.
Miss Marine, you're gonna have to figure it out, ma'am.
I'll help her, Judge. I'll help her. Thank you.
Sure, you got a very competent attorney there. You can have a safe and happy holiday season, Miss Green.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge, Merry Christmas to you. Take care.
Merry Christmas as well. Thank you. Okay, who's next?
I'm ready, Your Honor. Charles Anderson. I'll be Padilla.
And who is the, good morning to you, Counselor. This is the city of Detroit versus Sharpton Anna Padilla, case number SP 1813661. Appearance for the record, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Charles Anderson.
All right, Ms. Padilla, and your P number, Counselor? 23290. And Ms. Padilla, today, can you state your name for the record, please?
Sheraton Padilla.
Sherrington, I'm sorry. Good morning to you. Today is date time set for a trial. What's going to be the resolution?
I talked to Ms. Horn. The officer did not show up, and she wants to dismiss the case, Judge.
All right. I'll grant the motion to dismiss. Ms. Padilla, have a safe, happy holiday season, and I wish you the best of luck, okay?
Merry Christmas,
Thank you.
Judge
Same
Perkins.
to you, Judge.
Merry Christmas. Have a great day.
Good to see you.
Who's next? Thank you.
We're ready on Lackley, Your Honor. That's another dismissal.
City of Detroit versus Tataris Lackey, case number SP 179-72031. Good morning to you, Ms. Lackey. I hope I pronounced your name right. If I didn't, I'm sorry. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Danian Woodson, P68870 on behalf of Ms. Lackley. Ms. Lackley, please state your name for the record.
You have to unmute yourself, ma'am. You have to unmute yourself, ma'am. I'm sending you the prompt.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna pass.
Okay, can you hear me now?
State your name for the record, Ms. Lackley.
My name is Tatrice Nashay Lackley.
All right, good morning to you. What is gonna be the resolution of this, Counselor?
Your Honor, this is a date and time set for a hearing. The officers have failed to appear. We're asking that the matter be dismissed.
Case dismissed. Have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you both, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
Thank you.
Have a great day, everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Anybody else ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
We
Go
have
ahead,
Mr. Bergman.
Judge, can we start having an interpreter case? Miss Montero has left momentarily, but I'm ready for Delisha Grant. Miss Grant, can you unmute your device, activate your camera?
City of Detroit versus Delisha Lee Grant, case number SP 1792748, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1797658, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1797961. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Ma'am, your name for the record.
Delisha Grant.
Judge,
Good morning, Ms. Grant. Today is date and time set for a trial. What's going to be the resolution, Mr. Boffman?
Judge, I stipulate to probable cause for the recommendation that each of these matters be dismissed in the best interest of justice.
All right, case dismissed, Ms. Grant. If you don't have anything further, you have a safe, happy holiday season to you, ma'am. Best of luck to you, please.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to you too. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you so much. All right, who's next?
We're ready now I'm sorry, I have 3. Is that okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm ready for Michael Gardner, Michael Anthony Gardner.
This is the City of Detroit versus Michael Anthony Gardner, case number SP 1796594, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1814372, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1815081, and SP 1815085. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman. On behalf of the defendant, state your name, sir, please. Michael Gardner, please.
Don't see him in the room.
All right. Oh, yeah, you know what? He's trying to get back in. Is the meeting locked? Can we allow Mr. Gardner back in? He did call me. He got cut off.
Let's pass that matter. Who's next, Mr. Boffman?
Faith Ligon, we're ready. Faith
Let's go to
Ligon.
City of Detroit versus Faith Ligon, case number SP 178-28891. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, your name, please.
Yes, Faith Ligon.
Matters are set for a bench trial, Judge, at 9:01. It is now 11:12. There is no complaining witness. Officer Hamden Geyer, Your Honor, has not appeared.
Case dismissed, Ms. Ligon. Have a safe, happy holiday season and the best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
We're now ready on Katrina Gouch.
Is that the interpreter case? No.
No.
This is the city, is this the interpreter case?
No, Your Honor.
This is the City of Detroit versus Katrina Marie Gouch, case number SP 1803054, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 180968081. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Katrina Gouch.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. What's going to be the resolution, Mr. Boffman?
Your Honor, I stipulate to probable cause for the recommendation that the instant matters be dismissed in the best interest of justice. I thank the court and the prosecutor.
All right, case is dismissed, ma'am. Have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. Happy holidays.
Who's next?
Timothy Grover Hargrove.
City of Detroit versus Timothy Andre Grover Hargrove, case number SP 1148325, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 9792666, counts 1 and counts 2, U 322505516, H 0014701, counts 2, SP 1213309, counts 1, SP 1307841, SP 1344395, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1698640, counts 1 and count 3, SP 1797572, 1, SP 1797659, counts 1, 2, and 3, and the state of Michigan versus Timothy Andre Grover Hargrove, case number SX 43213251. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, sir.
Timothy Grover Hargrove.
So these matters are all set for trial. And the cases where the good officer, good Corporal Bennett and the good officer Hill did show the defendant is going to waive his right to that event and plead guilty respectively, and count ending in 2662, the defendant will plead to improper plate, Your Honor. And in count ending in 3091, the defendant will plead guilty to failure to display. The balance of the matters announced by this court will be dismissed, and I stipulate to probable cause as to each matter being dismissed as part of this agreement.
091, 3091,
Um,
and 2662.
yes, Your Honor.
That goes back a long way, doesn't it?
Yes, well, Corporal Bennett goes back a long way too.
All right, you want to take the deal, Mr. Grover Hargrove?
Yes.
I can't, take your hat off, sir. Please. Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Boffman went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights? Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
All right, who's in the background making a noise?
I muted Mr. Opara.
All right, you understood those rights, and do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up, don't you?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Now, let me draw your attention way back to March 17th, 2019 at around 10:22 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Joy and Memorial. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department? They say you were operating a 1998 Honda.
Yes.
Was that your Honda, sir?
I was the driver. It wasn't actually my vehicle.
Yeah, that's not a good plea, Mr. That shouldn't have been written. If it wasn't in fact his vehicle, that shouldn't have been written as a misdemeanor, no insurance. It should have been written as a civil infraction.
So
all right, let me carry your attention back to let's call it June the 17th, 2021 at 8 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Joy Road in Ashton. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department? They say you were operating a 2015 Chrysler.
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I don't have a driver's license.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. $240 will be the fine for that. And then let's take another plea closer in time to what it is for the improper plate.
Okay.
I'll just do a driving license and I'm allowing, same difference. Let me draw your attention back to October the 8th, 2025 at around 7:13 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of John C. Lodge and Forest. Do you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
Don't have a driver license.
All right, find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing $240 as a fine, stipulates the probable cause, will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
I'll dismiss that upon payment, that allowing. 240 and 240, you owe a lot of other money around down here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you 30 days to figure this out. I'm gonna mark the file, allow payment plan. You do one of two things, either pay the, I'm only concerned about the 240s. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fees. I'm only concerned about the 240s. You pay them at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDac app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or before January 20th, come down to the courthouse on or before January 20th, come down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan. All right, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'll see you back January 20th. Have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you. Okay? All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, who's next?
The interpreter is back. We're ready on.
Ms. Montero, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please? Ms. Montero? All right, I can't hear you. Something's wrong with Madam Interpreter's device. Who's next?
That's everything for me at this time, Judge.
I sent a list, Your Honor.
Just give me a name, Miss. So let's call Jerry Graham, Mr. Patel. The individual is in person. We're trying to get some devices that he's hearing impaired, and we're trying to get some devices so that he can hear and participate.
It's hooked up, Judge. It's on the speaker. Right,
it is hooked up.
He can hear everything right now. You can hear him.
Can he?
Yeah, you can hear him. He can hear you.
How can he hear?
It's
now?
on the speaker right there. The
hearing
impaired device is hooked to the speaker. Right
he has it on in the hallway.
Yeah, and then he has one on as well.
Where is he? Is Mr. What's his name?
Lombardi.
Lombardi.
Here, Philip, right here, Judge.
Philip Lombardi. Yeah, I don't see him on here.
He's in the hallway. He doesn't have a cell phone. He got to come inside, right, Mommy?
Well, she made it where he can talk to everybody from where he at.
Philip Lombardi, can you hear us? We're gonna have to figure that out.
Yeah, bring him in because he can't. He's not connected to Zoom because he don't have a phone.
Jerry Graham.
Yes, they can. That device allows him
To hear him, but
Zoom.
he can't speak.
He can't. He got a thing on his mouth.
Well, how can we hear him?
The device is a hearing and.
Where's
and
Jerry
and
Graham?
so that's why
Jerry
she
Lee
actually
Graham?
Put it on. It's like, can you hear me?
Is he speaking? How are we gonna do this?
All right, somebody's not.
Okay.
Are we not? Am I not being heard?
We can
We can hear you, Judge.
He's a phone caller. He has to press *6 to unmute.
All right, City of Detroit, where this is not a dismissal. He has a knife ordinance. He has $240 as the fine. And he never paid.
Oh.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Jerry Lee Graham, case number U525-95219. Appear for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sheriff Harris, case 72832 on behalf of Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, state your name again for the record.
My name is Jerry Lee Graham.
All right, for
Your
purposes
Honor, I
of the
just
record,
went based off of the record. For purposes of the arraignment, my client stands mute. I went off the recommendation that was indicated in the list of recommendations. If he owes money, then I would defer that to him.
I understand. All right, Mr. Graham, you were supposed to pay $240. What happened?
When the government shutdown came, I had issues getting some money. So that's the only thing. And then when they shut me down, I was trying to struggle just to eat and pay what I can.
All right.
I didn't have any extra money.
When can you pay now?
Well, I can start making payments because they're supposed to be getting me back up to date on my Social Security. So I can start making payments, come the first when I get paid.
All right, what I'm gonna do, you wanna do some community service?
Yeah, where I gotta go?
All right, refer to community service. What is the nature of the charge?
It's intern without, I think, it's intern without.
All right, refer to community service. I need a good phone number from you, Mr. Graham.
You need a what?
Good phone number from you.
313-854-7279.
All right, I'm gonna have the community service coordinator get in contact with you. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that community service coordinator. If you don't hear from that coordinator before the holiday, then you need to get back in touch with the court, okay? And then we'll get you set. I'm gonna give you until January 20th, 2025 to get the community service done. Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that community service coordinator. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Yes, there is something for that. I want to know how many hours I have to do.
12 hours of community service. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can handle that. I
hope so.
All right. Thank you, sir. Have a great holiday.
You too. Who's next?
The interpreter is back, Your Honor.
Ms. Montero, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor. The interpreter is ready. Can you hear me clearly now?
I can. Good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Vivian Montero, Court Interpreter 18369.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm to the best of your ability from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jose Guadalupe Ortiz Medina, case number SP 180332221. Appearance for the record, please.
Ese es el caso del Ministerio Público versus José Guadalupe Ortiz Medina. Número del caso SP 1803-3221. Digan sus nombres para que conste en actas, empezando con el licenciado.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant P55052. Please state your name, sir.
Buenos días, licenciado Harry Boffman, en representación del acusado. Señor, diga su nombre para que conste en actas.
Good morning. Mi nombre es José Guadalupe Ortiz Medina.
Good morning. My name is Jose Guadalupe Ortiz Medina.
Your Honor, these matters are set for trial. I want to thank the good Officer Wazi for appearing ostensibly for that purpose. Would you state your name for the record?
Yes, good morning. Officer Asi, badge 76.
Let Ms. Montero interpret. Good morning to you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tenemos el agente de policía oficial Asi aquí también. Va a dar su nombre para que conste en actas.
Good morning. Officer Asi, badge 768, Detroit Police Department.
Buenos días, agente Asi, agente del Departamento de Policía de Detroit, número 768.
And good morning to all. Today is date and time set for trial. What's the resolution?
Buenos días. Esta fecha se ha fijado para el juicio. Hoy es la decisión del caso. ¿Cuál es la resolución?
Your Honor, my client is going to waive his right to trial today. He's going to plead guilty. He's been advised of his rights, and he's doing so with the condition that there be a 90-day delayed sentence. He understands that will require him to pay the fine and return in 90 days with no new cases to be eligible for a dismissal.
Su señoría, mi cliente desea aceptar el acuerdo. Él informado es sobre sus derechos. Él entiende que va a haber un aplazamiento de 90 días. Él tiene que pagar la multa y no puede recibir multas nuevas.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Ortiz?
Señor Ortiz Medina, ¿desea aceptar el acuerdo?
Sí, por supuesto.
Yes, of course.
Raise your right hand, please.
Levante la mano derecha, por favor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Juro, afirmo decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad.
Sí, juro.
Yes, I swear.
Or you can put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Usted entiende que la penalidad máxima posible para ese delito son hasta 93 días de cárcel y o $500 de multa. ¿Entiende usted eso?
Sí, entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Usted entiende que tiene el derecho absoluto de llevarlo a juicio. ¿Entiende usted esto?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Baldwin went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Licenciado Boffman revisó con usted los derechos, los derechos que conlleva un juicio con usted cuando estaban en la sala para grupo pequeño, ¿verdad? There's no response, Your Honor.
Did Mr. Baldwin go over your other advisor rights?
El licenciado Boffman revisó su derecho con usted, ¿verdad?
Sí, ajá.
Yes.
Did you understand those rights?
¿Entendió todos esos derechos?
Sí los entendí.
Yes, I understood them.
All right, and do you have any questions about it?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta sobre sus derechos?
Todo está bien.
Everything's fine.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Usted entiende, al aceptar este acuerdo, está renunciando a todos los derechos que conlleva un juicio. ¿Entiende usted eso?
Sí, entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien le ha prometido algo fuera de lo que conversamos aquí en actas?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September 27, 2025, around 7:49 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Woodmere and Richard. Did you have an occasion on that day? Do you have a son, sir?
Dirigiendo su atención a la fecha 27 de septiembre de 2025, a eso de las 7:49 de la noche en la ciudad de Detroit, entre las calles de la Woodmere y la Richard. ¿Usted tiene un hijo?
Sí, tengo un hijo.
Yes, I have a child, a son.
And does your son own an ATV or operate an ATV that you know of?
¿Su hijo es dueño de un ATV o sepa usted si él maneja un ATV, un vehículo de 4 ruedas?
Era dueño porque ya no la tiene.
He was the owner of it, but he no longer has it.
And how old is your son?
¿Cuántos años tiene su hijo?
Tiene 15 años.
He's 15 years old.
and you gave him access to ride that ATV, is that correct?
Y usted le dio acceso a subirse en ese ATV, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
And he's riding that ATV on the city streets?
Y él andaba manejándolo en las calles de la ciudad.
De hecho, la cuatrimoto estaba parqueada en el parqueadero, estaba estacionada en el parqueadero.
The four-wheel vehicle was parked in a parking lot.
No. How did the four-wheel vehicle get parked to that parking lot?
¿Cómo llegó a estar estacionado el cuatrimoto en ese
Okay.
parqueadero?
Sí, la usó para llegar ahí. Ajá.
Yes, he used it to be able to get there.
And he rode that ATV on the city streets, is that correct?
Y él manejaba el cuatrimoto en la calle de la ciudad, ¿verdad?
Sí, correcto.
Yes.
And you allowed him to ride that ATV, or you knew that he was on that ATV riding on the city streets, is that correct?
Y usted lo permitió, o usted sabía que él andaba manejándolo en la ciudad, en la calle de la ciudad, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, I'm satisfied. Are you satisfied, counselor?
Yo estoy satisfecho. Licenciado, ¿está satisfecho también?
Satisfied.
Satisfecho.
That's enough to make the elements of a parental violation of parental responsibility.
Eso es para mostrar sobre la responsabilidad parental, un fallo por una violación de eso.
The defendant indicated that his son is 15 years old.
El acusado indicó que su hijo tiene 15 años.
Sí, correcto.
Yes,
He
correct.
indicated that he knew that his defendant was riding his ATV on the city streets.
Él dijo que él sabía que su hijo manejaba el cuatrimoto en la calle de la ciudad.
Sí.
Yes.
And it's illegal to operate an ATV on the city streets.
Y es ilegal manejar un cuatrimoto en las calles de la ciudad.
So I'll find him guilty as charged. $240 is the fine. It'll be a 3-month delay. The review will be March the 19th, 2026.
Entonces la multa son $240. Será postergado la imposición de la condena 3 meses. Tendrá que regresar el 19 de marzo de 2026 y haber pagado la multa antes.
Okay.
All right.
Pay $240 at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse to pay it in person.
Puede pagar los $240 en cualquier máquina DivDat por la ciudad, color amarillo, o puede ir en persona a pagarlo.
Okay.
All right.
Don't allow any more trouble for your son to get into. And on March the 19th, if those 2 conditions are met, we will dismiss the case.
No deja que su hijo vuelva a meterse en problemas. Y si ha cumplido con esas 2 condiciones, que ha pagado la multa y no ha vuelto a meterse en problemas, el caso será desestimado en esa fecha.
Okay. Sí, le aseguro que no volverá a meterse en problemas porque ya no tiene cuatrimoto y ya no va a comprar otra nueva.
I can assure you he won't get into any more trouble. He no longer has the four-wheel ATV, and he's not going to get another one either.
All right. Have a safe and happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you.
Muy bien, felices fiestas, señor, y muy buena suerte.
Felices fiestas, gracias.
Likewise,
Thank
happy
you.
holidays. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, I only have one more, and Michael Anthony Gardner has returned. Mr. Gardner, activate your camera.
And Your Honor, the people just want to check on any K3 2 capiases, and if we can release the officers.
Okay.
I'll ask for a recall of Mr. Gardner. He's not activating his camera.
All right, Mr. Henry. Yes. All right, if the people have to show, then the officers can leave. I don't know who.
Okay.
Who's
Okay,
the
thank you.
defendant?
Defendant is Reginae Griffin at trial, and also Christopher Lauray, Lau.
No, they didn't come.
No, neither of those came.
Okay, thank you. If I can have co-host, I'll let the officers know.
Mr. Gardner is
Thank you,
here.
Your Honor.
Our City of Detroit, let's go back on the record with Michael Anthony Gardner. Mr. Gardner, are you there now?
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a trial. What's going to be the resolution, Mr. Buffman and Benny?
We have a resolution. The defendant will plead responsible to the single count wherein he is charged with a seatbelt violation. The balance of the matters will be dismissed here, and I stipulate the probable cause for that recommendation. I thank the prosecutor and the court.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
With that stipulation, I'll find your client responsible as charged to the seatbelt. It'll be $65. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated. Thank you.
All right, 65. When can you pay it, Mr. Gardner?
I can pay it today.
All right, get it in here by Monday at the latest. Pay it at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There's nothing further to say. Happy holiday season, sir. And best of luck to you, all right?
Happy holidays. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. All right, is that it, Mr. Balkman?
Yes, Your Honor. I hope you have a Merry Christmas, but I hope to see you before then.
I'm sure. All right, have a good one.
Thank you. Bye now.
All right, who's up? Let's call the city of Detroit versus Latorius Deshaun Greer. Case number SP 181-5011, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Chair Harris, P72832 on behalf of defendant Greer. Please state your name for the record.
Is Mr. Greer online?
Please press *6 to unmute.
*6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Greer, please. All right, no response. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Mr. Greer? Mr. Greer? Mr. Greer, you have to unmute yourself. Press *6. All right, let's pass the matter. Who's next? All right, let's go with Liberty O'Neill. City of Detroit versus Liberty Andrea O'Neill, case number SP 1796951. Appearance for the record, please.
Chair Harris on behalf of Liberty O'Neill. Please state your name for the record. One moment, Mr. Greer.
All right, let's pass it. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Greer. Mr. Greer, do you want to take this deal blocking traffic?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we already stipulated to it. I'll find your client responsible for amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, Mr. Greer?
Your Honor, can I have about like 3 weeks from now? Within that.
Pay it by January 20th. Pay it by January 20th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
Okay. Likewise. Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, how much did you say?
$175.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Happy holidays.
You as well. Let's go recall the City of Detroit versus Liberty Andrea O'Neill, case number SP 179-69751. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherica Harris on behalf of Ms. O'Neill. Please state your name for the record.
Yes, Liberty O'Neill.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
There's time set for a pre-trial. This is a dismissal for valid docs.
Yes, Your Honor.
Our case dismissed, Ms. O'Neill. Have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too.
All right, Mr. Patel. I have Philip Lombard here. Can you hear me, Mr. Lombard?
No, Judge. I had to literally get up in his face for him to hear me.
Mr. Lombard, can you read lips?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay. Mr. Patel, this is the City of Detroit versus Philip Lombard. Case number SP 177-54621. Appearance for the record, please.
Jayesh Patel, P number 65385 for Mr. Lombardi. Would you please state your name for the record?
State your name for the record.
Philip Michael Lombard.
Very good. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm going to give you a $0 bond. I gave you a piece of paper with Mr. Patel's number on there. Will you be able to call him or email him?
I could go to maybe tomorrow, I said.
All right, I got your letter. This has nothing to do with partisanism. We're not talking about Republican or Democrat in this court. You will get a fair opportunity to be heard.
It's been a miserable life here.
Pardon me?
It's been a miserable life here in America.
Are you an American citizen?
Yes.
Do you have Canadian citizenship as well?
No.
Okay.
That's why I'm asking for extradition.
I don't have the authority to grant you that. You would have to go, but we want to take care of these cases. Are you seeking, do you have housing instability?
Do I have housing what?
Instability.
Yes, I mean, I can't. I found a book that I wasn't supposed to read, and now I can't talk to my parents anymore. And so, yes, I am very insecure with my house.
Mr. Patel is a very good man. He's a very good lawyer. And he has a program. I would like you to speak with him.
Is the guy in the middle?
Yes.
Okay.
I gave you his email address. Will you have a way to contact him?
I can go to the library.
Okay.
That's about, but I don't have an email address. The only way I have to call him.
You can, but if you phone him, will you be able to hear him?
I don't know. It depends on the phone. If I can crank it up loud enough, I can.
All right.
Okay. He can also come visit us in the office. Mr. Lombard, you can visit.
Can you get to his office?
To his office?
Yes.
Is it here?
No, I'll get the address.
Okay.
I'll write it on there.
Okay.
Grab that.
It's.
If you get me an address, I can look that up and don't see.
What is it?
It's 440 Burroughs, Detroit, Michigan. BURROUGHS. And then Suite 634. Detroit, Michigan.
Suite what?
634.
And what's the zip code? 482?
48202. Just north of Wayne State.
Suite 634, right?
Correct.
All right. I have the address. I'm gonna give it to Officer Wilson. It's near Wayne State University.
Okay.
So it should be.
Yeah, I can walk there.
Right. Now, I understand you're probably in the most trying time of your life.
It is.
I'm gonna be praying for you. I do believe that there is light at the end of the tunnel. How soon and how bright that light will shine for you, I can't answer that. But I do believe that with diligence and perseverance, the light will shine brighter for you. Do you understand me, Mr. Lavardi? I always give this quote from Dr. Martin Luther King. He says, the true test of a man is not where he stands in the moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands in the times of challenges and controversies. This is your test. Why the good Lord put this test on you, I can't answer that either. But I do believe that if you fight and you persevere, the light will shine brighter. I do believe in Mr. Patel's program. And I know that he will have nothing to do with any partisanship either. He's gonna treat you as a man, and he's gonna help you and give you all the services that he knows of, okay?
I appreciate it, yeah.
So what we need to do is we need to set another date, Mr. Patel.
Yes.
End of March?
Yes, March 27th.
I want you to return. I should have put this down. Give him some paperwork, Ms. Mathis. March 27th.
Hey, Mr. Lombard, if possible, we are in the office on Friday. If you can come around noon.
Tomorrow at noon, can you get to there?
Tomorrow at noon?
Yes.
If I survive tonight.
I'm sure you will, Mr. Lombard. I hope you do. All right. All right.
Thanks.
March 27th. You're back down here March 27th. All right. Ms. Mathis is going to get you some paperwork, and then get in touch with Mr. Patel. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Have a great day, sir, and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Have a safe.
Happy holidays.
You as well. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you for the help too. All right. Who's next?
I'm ready on Aaron Lockridge.
Lockridge? I'm already, Miss Mathis is spoiling me over here. I might come in late every day. City of Detroit versus Aaron Jonathan Lockridge, case number SB 11702002, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 1204667, SB 1220567, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 1220568, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1235514, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 1239966, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 1244247, SB 1591908, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lockridge, please state your name for the record. You have to press *6 to unmute, Mr. Lockridge.
Yeah.
This is his bar.
Yes, Aaron Lockridge.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
And Your Honor, today was the date and time set for trial. We did have officers who did appear. As such, we do have a recommendation, and my client is going to enter a plea pursuant to that recommendation. One amended count of failing to display a valid license, one amended count of allowing an unlicensed person to drive, an amended count of failing to report accident, which is a 0-point violation, and one improper plates as charged. And if you need case numbers, we can provide those.
You take the deal, Mr. Longbridge?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Where is he? Where is he? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Is your hand raised?
Yes, sir. I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanors are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mrs. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 30th, 2021 at around 2:43 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of Grand River and Archdale. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
I don't really recall. I do have family over there, so I could have just been driving over there.
Were you driving a 2006 Chevy, and did you have an accident on that day?
2006 Chevy. I don't recall.
Did you have you ever had an accident?
Yes, but not on Grand River.
Not near Grand River and Archdale?
No, I don't recall that.
Did you ever leave the scene of an accident, that accident that you had, without reporting?
No. No.
Right. That's not a good deal then. Let me do something else then. He claims to not recall that. Okay. You said, I think you're gonna have to renegotiate, because I think really that's what the city wants, that failure to report. Let's go to, do you have case numbers that you want other than that you want to take the plea on?
I don't. We had a discussion in the breakout room, but I can go back and discuss it with him again.
Well, if you had a discussion, did he say he was going to plead guilty? Did he say he remembered it?
He said he was entering a plea. He wanted to do community service, but we could go back and discuss it.
But I mean, I understand he wants to resolve it, but I mean, he's got to be able to admit to these accidents. If he doesn't recall, he indicated to the court that he has had an accident before, but he's never left the scene of the accident without reporting.
We will go back and have a discussion, Your Honor. That is not a problem. But I'm also ready on Mr. Gaucher.
What's Mr. Gaucher gonna do?
It's my understanding that he was entering a guilty plea to 2 counts of improper plates.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gaucher?
Yes.
Where is he?
Yes, can you hear me, Your Honor?
Yeah, I can hear you. I just don't see you. All right. Good morning. Good morning to you, Mr. Gaucher.
Good morning to you, sir.
City of Detroit versus Daniel Lamar Gaucher. Case number SP 1758571, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1758573, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Here we have Mr. Gaucher. Please state your name for the record.
Daniel Lamar Gaucher.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a trial. The corporal will appear.
Your Honor, it's my understanding Corporal Rule did appear. I did note that he did check in timely. My client was advised of his rights. It's my understanding that he is entering a plea pursuant to the recommendation 2 counts of improper plates. Is that correct, Mr. Gaucher?
Correct.
All right, raise your right hand, sir.
Okay.
You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Can you repeat that again, please?
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to July 16, 2025, around 12:43 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Jefferson and Grand Boulevard. Were you operating a motor vehicle around that date and that time?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce, do you have contact with the Detroit Police Department, did you not?
Yes, he pulled me over and asked for my license registration. Yes.
And you didn't have license or, strike that, you didn't have insurance or registration at that time, did you not?
I had old insurance, but he didn't want to hear that.
Right.
I mean,
nobody wants to hear that, do they?
Yes.
I don't want to hear that, do I?
Yeah. No.
So you didn't have valid insurance or registration. Is that correct?
Yes.
Find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate for not having the valid insurance and improper plate for not having the valid registration. Stipulate the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm only going to fine you for one, $240. I won't fine you for the other one. I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay it, Mr. Gaucher?
$240?
Yes.
Do that include the one already paid previously?
All the other matters dismiss. All the other matters dismiss.
Oh, it's okay. Ooh. Can I get a wicket too?
I'll give you more than that. Just give me a date. Put a date on it, sir.
Your Honor, could he have 30 days to pay?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can do it. The 30th?
Come back January 20th, 2026 at 8:25. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Gaucher. If there's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you very much.
You're very much welcome. Who's next? Mr. Berry?
All I had, Your Honor.
I'm done.
Lavelle? Seth Lavelle?
If it helps, Your Honor, the
Your
number
Honor.
in front of their name is the order in which they checked in.
All right. Mr. Berry, you have to unmute yourself, please.
Or you called Seth Laville, correct?
City of Detroit versus Seth Laville, case number SB 181-02181, SB 181-0289. You want appearance for the record, please?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lavelle.
Seth Laville.
Here. Good morning to you, sir. Good afternoon now. Today is date time set for a,
Good afternoon to you.
thank you. Pre-trial, Mr. Berry? All right,
Yes, Your Honor.
he's got proper documentation?
Correct, Your Honor.
Dismiss the case, sir, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I appreciate your patience. I wish you a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you
Okay, thank you. You too. Have a good one.
as well. Gil?
Yes, sir.
Tierra?
Mhm.
Tierra Gil?
Yes, sir.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing okay.
City of Detroit versus Tierra Gill. This is a Z case. Is she on bond?
Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Is she on bond? Is she on bond?
Yeah, I'm right here.
Oh, you're supposed to be tested, ma'am?
Yes, sir, and I'm scheduled to go today.
Have you had you're down here at the courthouse or no?
No, sir.
Have you had an attorney come reach out to you?
Yes, sir. I have an attorney and a probation officer, so that's why I was confused why I had
You're
to
still
come
in
back.
Virginia?
I'm sorry.
Are you in Virginia?
Yes, sir.
All right,
I talked to you on December the 8th.
I remember.
Okay.
We have to figure out how this works. I need to get the probation officer in here, please. We'll pass the matter. Let me get the probation officer here, Ms. Gill. I'll get you out of here as soon as I can.
Okay.
All right, let's go to the next one, Mr. Barry. Let's say that would be Gordon, Jay Gordon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that James Gordon?
Yes, sir.
James Gordon, Your Honor.
It's not James. You can leave it. I need James Gordon. Citizen. City of Detroit versus James Edward Gordon Jr. Case numbers SP 18005831, SP 18018971, SP 18018981. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gordon.
James Edward Gordon Jr.
All right, good afternoon, sir. I appreciate your patience. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. What's going to happen with these cases, Mr. Berry?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter plea to the open alcohol in the vehicle as a passenger, to enter a plea to the disregarding an officer's order on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence, and finally, limited access 1 to 5 for the improper lane use.
I don't see where the deal is, but you want to take that, sir?
Yes, sir.
And you don't want to go and get yourself us appoint an attorney and they can see if they can do better for you. It's just up to you.
Wow.
I don't see what I really don't see what the hesitation is, but
No, I'm good with the deal.
raise your right hand, sir. Did you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, you did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Questions about those rights?
No questions about that. No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, Mr. Berry, I do not see any notes down here that tell me what how his failure to disregard officer signal is or disobey a lawful order of a police officer. So he's going to have to come in with his story and let us know. Let me draw your attention back to September 29, 2025, around 2:05 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Gratiot and Romans. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
It was vodka.
Vodka, was it open?
Yes, sir.
And how was it contained?
What do you mean? How was it contained?
What kind of container was it in?
In its regular form. Regular.
In a glass bottle of vodka?
Yes, sir.
Pop off vodka, huh? And you, there was some in the container?
Yes, sir.
And was the container open?
Yes, sir.
Find your client guilty as to the amended count of open alcohol on motor vehicle passenger. How did you disregard this officer's sick order?
I was trying to actually get the officer to loosen the cuffs. As I mentioned to the actual attorney, that I'm a fairly big guy, and so the cuffs were just on a little tight, and I was just actually trying to have him loosen the actual cuffs. And so, I guess since I was trying to do that, he gave me that charge there.
I don't see how that rises to disregard an officer's order. That's why you needed to have an attorney. Mr. Berry's an excellent lawyer, but he's limited to what he has right here at this time in that few minutes that he gets to talk to you. But I don't see where that rises to disregard an officer's order. What did you do to disregard his order?
That's the only thing that I remember at that time. That he had me handcuffed, my hands behind my back against the car, and I kept trying to tell him, can he loosen the cuffs for me because they were very, very tight, and that was it.
You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna set a trial date. I'm gonna appoint you an attorney because I don't, and by your own story, I don't see that being rising to the level of disregarding an officer's suit. In very nature of our system, which is the best system in the world, is that you have the absolute right to remain silent, and they have to prove everything against you. But for some reason you just want to take this deal and I can't even make up the elements of it.
I just want to accept the deal that the attorney.
I'm trying to accept it, but I can't accept it if the elements haven't been met.
He was trying to tell me to get out the car, and I was asking him, could I just stay in the car because I parked in the bike lane to not continue to drive. And so I was asking him if he could just let me sleep and just let me stay there because I had just found out some information in regards to a marital situation. And so I was asking him if he could just let me stay in the car. So that maybe be another reason why he did not, that he put down that I did not follow his orders.
And you did not get out the car when he asked you to get out the car?
Not the first time. I could just kept asking him, could he just let me stay in my car? Because I was parked in the actual, the bike lane, and just let me stay there and just kind of just sleep.
I'll accept that as disregarding an officer's signal. Did he have, would you stipulate the probable cause that he had probable cause to get you out of the car?
Yes, yes, he did. I was just trying to, like I mentioned to the attorney, that day I found out that been married. No. Okay.
Yes.
So
you
yes.
don't have to go into what you found out.
Okay.
Let me ask you this: is your marriage okay now?
It's getting there.
Very good. That's good. All right. So you were in the bike lane. So that
Yes,
would
sir.
give me improper lane use as well. So based on that, I'll find you guilty as to the officer disobeying an officer's order. You indicated that did the officer see you with the alcohol in your vehicle?
They found it in there once they searched it, but I didn't have it out or anything. It was underneath. I didn't have it out or anything. They found it once they searched it before they took my vehicle.
Well, boy. All right. Just honest to God, aren't you, Mr. Gordon?
I'm just
That's
trying
what my
to
father used to say. Honest to God.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna cut you a break. Fine you $240. I won't find you anything else. $240, pay by. When can you pay?
by February, the 1st of February.
I'm not gonna cut you that much of a break.
Okay. The middle of
January 20th.
yes, sir.
Have a safe, happy holiday season. Pay at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If something further, have a safe, happy holiday season, sir. And I'm glad your marriage is getting back on track. And I hope it continues to get better and that you put all that stuff behind you. Have a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. One quick question before I go. They confiscated my license, so do I need any documentation to go to the Secretary of State to get my license back?
I can't see why they confiscated your license, not unless it's a drunk driving coming out of this too.
No.
I don't know. It sounds like it.
Nope. So that's it. I'm all set.
All right.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Tierra Gill. Case number SP 1807063, counts 1 and counts 2, and Z8098491. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Gill.
Ms. Gill, state your name for the record, please.
Sierra Gill.
Okay, Officer Thomas, good morning to you. Good afternoon to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Officer Joseph Thomas on behalf of the Probation Department.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a free trial. Ms. Gill, did you want an attorney last time?
What do you mean?
Didn't we appoint you an attorney?
Yes, sir. Miss Tim Malafite.
Malafite. We need to get Malafite in here now. Get Tim Malafite in here. Let's go with Mr. Officer Thomas. How is Miss Gill being arranged, and how is she being monitored?
So, Your Honor, we just got her set up this week. We were having to find somewhere down there that worked for the defendant. You know how these out-of-state cases can be. But we did secure testing. She actually sent me the email confirming it. She begins today, and it's called Patriot Testing. It's in Virginia. So I haven't gotten the result yet, but as I said, we've got her set up to go. She'll be monitored once a week for alcohol through them.
Okay, thank you. And we'll continue to find out. Hopefully she does well on bond. Now, you're free to leave, Officer Thomas. I appreciate you coming in.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Ms. Gill, so you've had a conversation with Mr. Malafite, all right?
Yes, sir.
And I wonder why he's not here. Maybe let's get him in here.
Sir, I just received a notice for this appearance yesterday. You told us to come back January 6th.
All right. Let me see. Is it what?
No, I was wondering when another date out here.
I don't see that on there at all. Let's see here. January 6th.
At 8:35.
Okay, this was a show cause. I don't know why it was show cause. All right, January 6th, ma'am. Just come on back then. We won't call Mr. Malafite. You have been in contact with them. That Z ticket says a show cause was not.
So why am I in trouble for show cause? I didn't.
You're not. It must have been something on our side. I'm sorry to hold you up all day. But we at least know that you got the testing set straight. And Ms. Gill, have a safe, happy holiday season. I wish you the best of luck, all right?
Thank you.
January 6th, bye. Who's next, Mr. Berry? Let's go with Grubbs, Cameron Grubbs. You didn't need to write that down. Well, it's supposed to be. This is the City of Detroit versus Cameron Grubbs, case number SP 1808621. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grubbs. You have to unmute, Mr. Grubbs.
All right, Mr. Grubbs is not unmuting. Let's go with Jermaine Jean.
Wait, did you say Grubbs?
Yes, Grubbs. He just woke up. All right. State your name for the record, Mr. Grubbs.
Cameron Grubbs.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, what's Mr. Grubbs want to do?
Your Honor, he's prepared to enter a plea to as charged on the basis of a 90-day delayed sentence.
All right, again, I don't have any facts written on this ticket to suggest how to voir dire him to a disorderly conduct. So either Mr. Grubbs, you're gonna have to come and tell me what exactly you did, or you gotta go to trial, bring the officer in, and the officer has to prove it. You don't have to say anything. What do you wanna do?
I'll just do the first one and get it over with.
Just get it over with. So you can go back to sleep.
Yeah, my bad.
That's 90 day delay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Grubbs. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Now you can put your hand down. At least he didn't lie about being asleep. You know how many people that we heard snoring on there and they lie about they're not sleeping.
Hey man, I was waiting for a long time.
Yeah, you probably were. That's my fault. All right, let's go. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
Nope.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Nope.
Let me draw your attention back to October the 19th, 2025, around 5:57 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Rutherford and Kendall. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yep. I was
What did
here.
you do?
What did I do? I was arguing with the police officers, and I was arguing with my significant other.
And why were you arguing?
Why was I arguing? I can't really remember what the exact argument was over, but pretty much I really can't remember what it was over, but I just remember like just cussing and being loud.
And disturbing the neighborhood?
For sure. I mean, like no neighbors called the police, I don't think.
But you would have been disturbed though. Would you have been able to hear it if somebody else was out there in the vicinity or in their home? Would you have been able to hear it?
For sure.
And at 6 in the morning, right?
Yeah. Pretty early.
And you caused the police to be there, did you not?
Caused? Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Find your client guilty of the amended count. As charged with disorderly conduct. $240 is the fine. When can you? Let's pay it by March the 19th, 2026. And any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. I hope that you and your significant other got it together. And that
Yes,
you
sir.
know that anybody gets you so upset that you have to be cussing and disturbing the whole neighborhood and having the police called.
Your Honor,
Gotcha.
$240 fines and being on probation. Go ahead.
Your Honor, Mr. Jeans is also looking forward to 3 matters in the future. I would, if the court
I
has.
haven't finished with Mr. Grubbs yet.
Oh, my apologies, Your Honor. The G's.
Yeah. Mr. Grubbs, you have anything further?
Nope, thank you.
Have a safe, happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you.
You also.
All right, you go back to sleep.
All right, thank you.
All right. All right, it's called the City of Detroit versus Jermaine Gregory Jeans. Case numbers SP 181-2497, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 181-25261. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Jeans.
Jermaine Jeans.
Thank you, sir, for your patience, sir. Good afternoon. You indicated, Mr. Berry, that Mr. Jeans feels he has some other matters coming down the pipe.
Yes, Your Honor. No registration, no insurance, and failure to stop. Or stop.
And when those, I don't see those tickets in the system. They're not in there yet.
It may not be, Your Honor.
Do you want to wait, Mr. Jeans? Do you want to wait and see if you can get a global offer?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Do you want to wait to see if you can get a global offer? I can set a trial date, and then if those tickets are up by the time of trial, then you can get a global offer. It may be better for you.
I'm thinking. I discussed something with Mr. Berry. I don't know if we had a misunderstanding in the breakout room about those 3 matters.
I don't know. I wasn't there.
But
Mr. Berry indicated to the court that you told him that you have 3 other tickets that are coming. Is that correct?
I have 3 other tickets that is in default judgment on the 24th of last month. And the day that I had court on the 20th.
Wait a minute. I don't see any other tickets in default.
I have them right here.
Give me a ticket number. SP
181-24971.
No, these are all on here. This is what we're going to deal with. So what is the offer, Mr. Berry?
The offer is failure to display for the docketed matter.
Let me see. Let me look at the. And then you got him an updated offer on those. Did you let the city know? Okay, here, Mr. Berry. I see where he's coming from. Mr. Berry, there's a failure to stop, a no valid registration, and a no proof of insurance. Did you discuss that? Those other 3 tickets with the city?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, and what is the offer?
The offer is blocking traffic as to the failure to stop matter. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
And the what about the failure to display?
That is, well, the failure to display is the charge as to the driving on a revoked license, and that's part of the offer.
All right, so you got that, sir. So all those 3 tickets that are in default, we set those defaults aside. The offer is pleading to failure to display and to the improper blocking traffic, which was amended from the failure to stop. And then the no registration and no proof of insurance will be dismissed. Is that, you understand that now?
Yes.
All right, you want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes, sir.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir, I did.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, sir, I do not.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, I understand.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, they did not.
Let me draw your attention back to October the 14th, 2024, around 5:54 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of State Fair and Anvil. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license.
Yes, sir.
Couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why not?
I didn't have them on. I didn't have them.
Very well. Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf, Mr. Barrett?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other two matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the failure to stop and dismiss the other two matters. I'm only gonna fine you $240 for the failure to display. When can you pay?
Can you give me 30 days, please?
January 20th, 2026, head at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If it's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, appreciate it. Happy New Year's to you.
You as well, thank you.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Devan Garcia Chavez, case number SP 181-06641, SP 181-5670, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Garcia.
My name is Adavan Garcia Chavez.
All right, good morning, good afternoon. Today is the date and time set for a
Show cause, Your Honor.
show cause purpose of arraignment.
My client would stand mute, Your Honor.
Here a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. He has another, it's a no insurance, no ops. I see a no ops, a no insurance, and a student unaccompanied.
Yeah. Well, at the time I had a permit. I showed it to the cop, but then.
Stop speaking, Mr. Garcia.
Oh, okay.
Do you have a valid license, sir?
Yes, sir.
Run his license. Did you talk about his license, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what's the recommendation?
The matter, if we confirm he has a license, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
All the matters to be dismissed? Very well. All right, give me a second, Mr. License is valid. Mr. Garcia, have a safe, happy holiday season. I'm dismissing your cases and best of luck to you, okay?
All right. What about for the insurance? It's also
All dismissed, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you.
All right, take care.
You as well. Who's next? Oliver? Juan Oliver? Jacoby Leggett? Leggett?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Jacoby Terrell Leggett. Case number SP 18281-761, SP 176-85711. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Leggett.
Jacob Latrell Leggett.
Turn your camera on.
Oh.
purposes of, this was a formal hearing, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what was going on with that?
The offer is that my client would avail himself is blocking traffic.
What about this marijuana in a motor vehicle?
That was not on the docket. We have not discussed that.
Okay, very well. You want to take the blocking traffic, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea in your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes,
Well,
Your
no,
Honor.
no.
So,
There's no dismissal of the other matter. I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for $175. When can you pay that, Mr. Leggett?
Can I have a month, at least? 30 days, maybe.
And then you know you need to be back here for an arraignment on the 12th. Do you understand that?
On the 12th?
Of January.
I thought it was the 22nd.
Do you want to arraign him now, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's for that, but this is for the allegation of smoking marijuana in a motor vehicle.
Oh, no. I got to handle that a different date.
For the purposes of arraignment on that, Mr. Berry?
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Do you want us to appoint an attorney for you on that, Mr. Leggett?
Yes.
All right. I need a good phone number from you.
248-520-0721.
All right, I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. I'm going to give you a pretrial date on January 20th, the same day that you are supposed to pay that, have that other ticket paid off at 8:30, January 20th. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by that date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay? All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Juwan Lewis, case number SP128-0101. Appearance for the record, please. Is anybody representing Juwan Lewis?
My attorney, Perkins, is supposed to be there.
Todd Perkins?
Yes, Todd Perkins, that's my attorney.
All right, pass it. Todd. All right, let's go with City of Detroit versus Tawan Lamos Oliver. Case number SP11258081. SP978047 counts 1 and counts 2. SP978047 SP12884004051. SP165-15491, SP1730972, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1747698, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1752441, SP 1780903, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1780933, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1804006, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1804265, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1815912, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1815916, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1819139, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1819141, SP 1827400, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 182745541, SP 1831729, strike that. SP 1831728, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1841247, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1841256193865 appearing for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Oliver.
Juan Lamaz Oliver Jr.
All right. All right, day, date, and time set for, was this a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you work it out?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the deal?
The deal, Your Honor, is my client stands ready to enter a plea as offered to 4 charges, 2 counts of improper plates for Officer Bush. That number ends in 9.
All right, let me stop you. I'm sorry. Let me stop. Okay, I'm just making sure, Mr. Oliver, you didn't get any more tickets since the last time you've been in here, have you? Yes, he did.
Yes, I did.
I told you were going to jail, didn't I?
Yeah.
Take that scarf off your head. Mr. Berry, we're gonna reset this. He's coming in person.
Yes, Your Honor.
Come down tomorrow morning, sir.
Tomorrow morning?
Yeah, in person. Mr. Berry, keep that off, waiting, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'll see you in the morning.
All right.
You want to just look 6,
All right. You scheduling everything for pre-trial?
Pre-trial.
Because he has some trial news too.
Yeah, we're just gonna.
Set everything for pre-trial, that's fine.
I don't know what the offer is for this. I'm sorry, Mr. Juwan. I don't know what.
Give me a moment before we go to the next case.
Yes, I don't know what the offer is for Mr. Lewis. Let's do Lockridge, Mr. Berry. Where's Aaron? Lockridge.
We're ready.
I'm here.
Okay, that's you, Ms. Harris.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit. Okay, this was something I already recalled. What's going on? Why did we have to do this? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lockridge. We were talking about that failure to report. What's going to go on now, Ms. Harris? Any update?
Yes, Your Honor, it's been amended. He is now going to plead to 2 counts of improper plate, 1 count of failing to display, and another amended count of allowing an unlicensed person to drive.
So still 4 matters, correct?
I'm sorry?
It's still 4 matters, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, and based on the age of the tickets, is he gonna have any problem recollecting any of the incidents?
We shall see what happens as the court takes its factual basis. I don't
And what
think we
ticket
should.
number, let's give me the failure to display.
One moment, Your Honor. That would be case and date 2471. And the allowing would be the case ending 9081.
City of Detroit versus Aaron Lockridge, case number SP 1244247. I'm sorry. This really well.
All right, I'm ready.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Aaron Lockridge. Mr. Lockridge, let me draw your, I already swore him in. Let me draw your attention back to September the 2nd, 2021, at around 3:38 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile and Sherwood. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle, sir?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, I cannot.
And why is that?
My license were suspended at the time.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. I'll go ahead with the next one, Ms. Harris. See if we can get all of these in one factual basis. What about 966 counts 1, 2, and 3? I didn't hear you.
Yeah, you said what cases?
That's Vickers cases.
Yeah,
Go
we
ahead.
cannot do those, Your Honor.
Give me another case number, please.
I gave you 2471 9081.
9081. All right, let me draw your attention back to July 13th, 2024 at around 5:03 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of Canyon Avenue and Chandler Park Drive. Did you have an occasion on that day to get stopped by the Detroit Police Department operating a motor vehicle, sir?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
All right. The officer asked you to produce valid driver's license.
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No, I cannot.
And why is that?
Don't have a license.
And was this your 2015 Chrysler?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't produce that either, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I didn't have insurance at the time.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate for not having the valid insurance. One more, Ms. Harris.
It was the improper plate as charged, case ending 5671.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 30th, 2021 at around 2:41 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Grand River and Archdale. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes,
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
yes.
Was that, so this 2006 Chevrolet, was there something wrong with the plate on that vehicle?
Yes.
What was wrong with it?
It was the wrong plate. I just had recently bought the car really, so I just had put a plate on there so I could drive it. End up getting pulled over.
Find your client guilty of the as charged to the improper plate. Is that the only 4?
I believe that was the 4. So stipulated, Your Honor.
We'll dismiss the other matters. I'll waive the warrant fee. You'll pay any and all reinstatement fees. And for the fine, I'll fine you for 2 of them. 240 and 240. I won't fine you for the other 2. That's like a Christmas gift. All right. Let's go with review. Come back on January 20th. Do one of 2 things. Either pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDac app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or come on down to the courthouse on or before January 20th and get into a payment plan. Come back on that date, let us know what you did. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Okay, I have a quick question, Your Honor. Is it a way I could do any community service to knock down the balance at all?
There's gonna be a lot of community service. You can do some community service. All of them.
I'm sorry?
Want to do community service?
Yes.
$100 of community service will clear everything up.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to refer the matter to community service. You shouldn't have to call them. They should call you. What I'll do is I'll keep that review date in the system just to make sure to check your progress. I don't believe you'll be able to get 100 hours done in that time, but we'll find out how far you've gotten. I need a good phone number from you.
586-213-0747.
And they shouldn't have to call, you shouldn't have to call them, they should call you. I'll give you the number to them as well, though. 313-965-8130. And 100 hours will clear everything. If they don't call you, you know how to get back in touch with the court. They should give them about a week before the holidays so you can get set up over the holidays. And if they don't call you, you can call back next week and we'll get you set up. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you, Mr. Lockridge. Have a safe, happy holiday season if I don't see you before then.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. I will hear on that case.
All right, okay, our Officer Baker, be safe out there. Have a safe, happy holiday season if I don't see
you too, sir.
Did Officer Noble appear? Did Officer Noble appear for Juwan Lewis? Officer Noble for Juwan Lewis? Nobody saw Officer Noble? City of Detroit versus Juwan Lewis, case number SP 182-80101. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Good afternoon to your staff. May it please this honorable court. My name is Todd Russell Perkins, P55623, appearing on behalf of Mr. Lewis.
Mr. Lewis, good afternoon. Mr. Lewis, state your name for the record, please. Unmute yourself. All right, state your name for the record, Mr. Lewis.
He's frozen, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna ask one more time. I'll waive his presence. I see he's on the screen.
Jawan's here. Jawan Lewis is here.
All right, good afternoon to you. I'm gonna ask one more time. Has anybody seen Officer Noble, Officer C. Noble, badge number 3707?
No, Your Honor, not from the people. I haven't spoken with Officer Noble.
All right, case dismissed. No officer. Have a safe, happy holiday season. Mr. Lewis, and best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. All right, everyone. I appreciate that you everyone working things out for the court. You're free to leave, Mr. Lewis. Your case is dismissed.